Hi, in this tutorial I would like to talk about selecting cases or filtering data in SPSS. If we work with a large dataset and we would like to conduct analysis only on a certain part of the data, we can use the option of filtering or selecting cases in SPSS. The best and the most convenient way to do this is to use the SPSS Select Cases function. We can specify and set conditions that will select cases we would like to further work with using this function. Let's demonstrate an example of how to do this on a small dataset. We will work with the high dataset again, as you can see, and let's say we are interested in analyzing the data of males only. Our males equal to 1 and females are represented by number 2. Just to remind you. We need to make sure that all females are excluded. Let's have a look on how to do this. First, we need to click on the data menu up here in the menu bar and search for Select Cases, which is down here. We click on it and now we can see a dialog box where we should specify our conditions. As you can see here, you can filter your data based on an if condition, based on time or case range, as well as use random sample of cases. In our case of filtering data based on gender, we will use the if condition, so let's tick the box. The second thing we can specify down here is which cases we would like to include or exclude in our output. We can either tell SPSS to filter out unselected cases, which means that the condition we will set will specify the cases we want to keep. We can also tell SPSS to copy selected cases to a new dataset, or to completely delete unselected cases. We will use the first option of filtering out. You will see in few seconds what it does to our dataset. So we keep it here. In order to specify the condition, we will click on If under the if condition is satisfied. A new dialog box appears. First of all, we will choose a variable according to which we would like to filter out data now, here on the left side in the list. Let's do a right click and display variable names only. And since we would like to use only males and exclude all females, we will select variable gender and click on arrow to get in here. In our dataset, males are represented by a value 1 and females by 2, as I already mentioned. Therefore, we have to tell SPSS to select and keep only the cases with value 1, because we want to keep only males. Therefore, we will finish our condition equation by specifying that we want to keep only cases where gender value equals to 1. Once we are done, we click on Continue and then on OK. We go to Data View and you can see now that the data is filtered and that some of our observations were crossed out. Those are all the ones that have a value of 2 in the column for gender variable, so that means that all of them are females. If we do any analysis now, SPSS will only work with the males data, and in order to go back and have again all cases available, we click again on data in the menu bar, so it's exactly the same procedure, and we click on Select Cases down here, and here we will select the first option, all cases, and we will click on OK. Let's go back to Data View to check that. Yes, now we can see that all cases are included again. After watching this tutorial, you should be able to select cases and filter data in SPSS. Thank you for watching.